She needs to do it again.
Wait for it. Wait.
Don't wait. Don't record me.
Ready? Are you sure you're not about to throw up? Are you sure?
That's horrible.
I have hiccups.
Megan, say you're up, you silly bitch. Megan, just sit down for a bit.
Oh my god. Okay.
It's okay. Why does she hiccup like that?
I feel a bit sick.
Can you go to
Oh.
I don't want to get down.
the? Can you go to the toilet?
Can you sort her out?